Commercial business head Ravi Pishrodi. Farah Bukwala Vora finds out how the weak economic cycle continues to hit commercial vehicle sales. Take a look.
We are seeing some very visible improvement now for about 5 quarters on the sale of the bigger trucks. Our analysis shows that most of this recovery is happening because customers who had delayed their replacements are now coming because it's a good time to buy. There is a positive sentiment. There are regulations around the corner which might increase the cost further. So the impact of more goods transportation, commercial vehicle depends on manufactured goods, to some extent agricultural products and consumer durables and commodities. So the impact of increase in manufactured goods resulting in more trucks being needed for deployment is there. It's about 8 to 10%, but it's not as strong as we thought it might be. We do know that in the government budget there's been a lot of provision for spending on infrastructure. It's probably taking a bit of time, but we do expect that will start kicking in sometime in the second half of the year. Mining is another area which contributes strongly. For instance, all the recovery we are seeing is in the cargo segment. The construction tippers have not recovered at all. So mining, we do know the 3 or 4 states where mining is important. They're all working overtime so that by the end of September they can announce some legal leases which should give us some benefit in the second half of the year. And again, back to infrastructure spending, I understand that some orders have been issued. We can see some activity going on. So I think that needs to pick up momentum because that has an impact on construction tippers and also in terms of requirement of commodities for long distance transportation.
That's Tata Motors. You'll hear more of that through the day, but for now we need to focus on market.